This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Help the painter paint the path to the traffic cone. Use move, turn left, take paint, and paint methods to navigate and paint each square in the path. Okay, tip, check out documentation of the painter class. All right, so first we need a painter. Now guys, if you're like, I don't remember the exact command, again, use your resources. I'm gonna go click on something random, one of these bubbles back here, and look. Oh yeah, this is gonna create a painter. This is gonna start me moving. So actually, I'm just gonna right click copy. Now I'm gonna change mine up a bit. Here I am back. Now I'm gonna change mine up a bit, but I'm gonna right click paste, and there we are. Now for this one, I don't know. I will say, I'm Fred, painter. Paul the painter, right? So Paul. Use whatever name or variable you want. Now, this creates our object painter, right? So I could even say my painter, okay? So my painter is now equal to a new painter object, and it's instantiated, it's created from the painter class. I can see all the methods of the painter class here, right? But I don't need to look, I know what I can use. And then I'm gonna start moving. I'll take one step forward and let's test often so we don't get things off. Oh look, I broke something already. Oh yeah, I don't have a Paul anymore. I have my painter. So I have to say that here as well. And there we go. Now obviously I'm gonna have to turn right away, otherwise I'm gonna have to run into the wall. Now I can only turn left right now, so I'll have to do it 3 times. Now, methods are picky. Make sure you use dot, make sure you use camel case with a capital L, and parentheses at the end. We don't have a turn right yet. We only have turn left. So I'm going to need 3 of those. And I messed something up. Oh, I can't move. I'm already hitting this wall. Let's see now. This is why I should pay attention to errors. That was a test to pay attention to your errors. Just kidding. All right, so turn left, great. Now I need to step forward and take that paint. And we've learned take paint recently, but if I forgot, again, documentation, code.org neighbor, and there it is. And see how they use my painter? I can pick a color. So, oh, that's to paint, but take paint, I don't have to declare the color. I can just do like this. Now, that would only take 1, right? And so I'm going to hammer this out 4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should go down to 0. Again, guys, make sure you use camel case, right? Make sure you have the dot, parentheses, and a semicolon. Okay, now that I have 5 things to paint, there's 5 squares left. So I want to start by painting the square I am on. My painter dot paint, and I know we can pass in an argument here. I'll do red. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move forward. And I guess, oh, nope, I can't paint there yet. And then I'm gonna paint blue. Let's see if this works or if I broke something. Cool, so far. Now I can't move, right? I have to turn again. This time I only have to turn left, so that's easy. Boom. And now I'm going to want to step forward. Yep. And I'm going to want to paint again. I'll go green. Let's see where I end up. Make sure to test often. Now you should pick your own colors. I don't want to see the pattern over and over again. That is boring. Okay, now I'm going to move forward, paint, then move forward and paint. So I'm actually just going to take this guy, copy, Control V to paste, Control V, or Command V, Command C on a Mac. Green, orange, and yellow, I guess. Let's see how we did. Yeah. Yep, and yep, and yep. Let's test. Victory. Cool. Onward.